The Clean air cleaner system is the company's prized product in solving smell issues. With our own patented technology, Plasma Discharge Technology, Clean Ozone is generated to eliminate odor from cooking along with smoke and grease issues to a certain extent as well. As mentioned, the Clean generates clean ozone, which doesn't contain any byproducts such as nitric oxide and nitric dioxide, which are harmful to human body. It's able to readily oxidize its pollutants into incombustible substances as well. Designed for interlocking with the kitchen exhaust fan, implementation with the building management system can be done as well when required. Moving on, the Clean consists of these features: high efficiency, safe design, easy troubleshooting, splash resistant, durable, easy implementation and upgrading. Firstly, the Clean system is highly efficient. This image shows how a duct would look like prior to servicing with our technology. Of the PDT incombustible oxidate are formed on the surface of the duct, which makes cleaning easier and cooking safer for our users. Secondly, the Clean system has a safe design. Assembled, QC and QA professionally and individually, safety switches and various relays are in place to ensure easy resets and able to allow business continuity in events of a product power trip. Thirdly, the Clean system is easy to troubleshoot. With exterior indicators for incoming light and system on, it allows for quick troubleshooting in the event of any malfunctions. Fourthly, the Clean system is splash resistant. Fire-rated materials are built in. The internal components are protected with water and grease baffle fire safety design. This prevents clean ozone from leaking and forbid any water from coming into contact and short circuits to occur. Fifth, the Clean system is durable. Based on research, the parts have a minimum lifespan of 1 year. Nonetheless, the service and maintenance should be done on a quarterly basis to ensure that our product is functioning at its maximum capacity. Lastly, the Clean system is easily implemented with high scalability. Having the ranges of size depending on the model, the casing can be mounted on either sleeping or standing positions depending on the requirements of the land space. Without further delays, here are some videos regarding to the Clean system. What we are doing now is that we are using a commercial butane burner to torch the oxidates on fire to find out if it's incombustible. As you can see, the oxidate is not flammable as it doesn't catch fire or ignite when in contact with open flame. This fire safety feature is one of many features our products are able to deliver for your kitchen solutions. Thank you.